We should have expected something was up when Chris Walton, tasked with introducing us to the Civic Type R, refused to discuss details. "You just gotta drive it," he said, alight. He was correct. We liked it so much that we made the unprecedented decision to elevate the Type R to finalist status while leaving the Civic Si behind. There's no one thing that makes the Civic Type R special, it's the holistic approach to Honda's hot hatch that made it so hellacious. And for $35,000, it'll blow away cars that cost multiples of that amount. "It's unlike any front drive car I've ever driven, it's unlike any hot hatch I've ever driven," said Walton, who has tested literally thousands of cars in his career. "This car will be remembered for a very long time as the pinnacle of front-wheel drive performance. This is the most impressive new Honda have driven since the original NSX," added Angus McKenzie, another veteran scribe. The 2.0-liter turbo delivers a dizzying 306 horsepower, but it's astonishingly smooth, as is the shifter, clutch action, and, perhaps most astonishingly, its civil ride. The chassis displays superb balance and composure, feeling planted and connected at all times, with ride quality that seems impossibly compliant for a car rolling on such fat, low-profile performance tires, McKenzie said. "It's the best front-drive chassis in the world, period." Honda says the Type R is unchanged for 2018. Power again comes from a 306 horsepower, turbocharged four-cylinder, the most powerful in the automaker's U.S. history. The Type R is offered exclusively as a four-door hatchback and available only in the well-equipped touring trim level.